Hello all, welcome to Electraspirant and assistance to electrical students for objective type exam preparation. In this video, we'll be discussing questions 26 to 50 of the Electrician of Agricultural Post, Kerala PSC 2016. First we can discuss question number 26. In a three-phase induction motor, the number of poles in the rotor winding are. In a three-phase induction machine, the rotor poles will be equal to the stator poles, and option C is the correct answer. Next question, if the air gap of an induction motor is increased, what will happen? When the air gap is increased, the magnetizing current required by the machine will also increase, and hence option A is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question, to isolate fire from the supply of oxygen by blanketing it with foam, sand, etc. What is it called? It is called as smothering. The option D is the correct answer. It is called smothering. Moving on to question number 29. What is the condition of Ohm's law? We all are familiar with this particular law, Ohm's law. Current is directly proportional to voltage, and over here the condition is option D. That is, you need the constant temperature. Moving on to the next question, power is equal to. You have many relationships over here. We already know energy is equal to power into time. So over here option A is the correct answer, because if you rearrange the equation for energy equal to power into time, it will give you power is equal to energy divided by time. So the correct answer is option A. Moving on to question number 31. Moving coil instruments are used. Moving coil instruments can only be used in DC quantities, or it can be used to measure only DC quantities. Moving on to question number 32. Low resistance means. Low resistance ranges from very low value up to 1 ohm. So 1 ohm and below, option B is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 33, the unit for resistivity. We all are familiar with the unit of resistance, it is ohms. And in order to find out resistivity, if you are rearranging the equation for resistance, rho will be given by R A by L. And if you are doing certain calculations within the dimensions, you will get the unit for resistivity as ohm meter. So option B is the correct answer. Question 34. Kelvin bridge is used for measurement of. It is used to measure low resistance. Another device which we already are familiar with to measure resistance is the Wheatstone bridge. But the Wheatstone bridge is used to measure medium resistance. It cannot measure low resistance values. Moving on to question number 35. The resistivity of Eureka at 20 degrees Celsius is. The resistivity is given by option C, that is 49 into 10 raised to minus 8. Moving on to question number 36. The application of series parallel combination. The application of series parallel combination is used in the power divider. In order to get a current divider, you have to place the resistances in parallel and voltage divider in series combination. So over here the correct answer is option C. Question 37. An earthing electrode usually is made up of. The answer is option D, metal plate. We always use metal plates in order to carry out the earthing. Moving on to question number 38. The color of protective conductor. So the color of the protective conductor is given by option A, that is green yellow. Green yellow is the color. Moving on to question number 39. The color of the middle wire of 3-wire DC circuit is given by. For a 3-wire DC circuit, the middle color will be given by black. Moving on to question number 40. Example of primary cell is. Now, what is a primary cell? A primary cell is a cell that produces current by an irreversible reaction. That is, you cannot recharge the batteries, and the main examples for the primary cell are dry cell or voltaic cell. So, here option C is the correct answer, voltaic cell. The remaining options which are given are the examples for secondary cells. Secondary cells are the cells which can be recharged. Moving on to question number 41. The ampere hour efficiency of the lead acid battery is given by. The answer is option B, 90 to 95%. Question number 42. High rate discharge tester consists of. A high rate discharge tester, it usually consists of a low range voltmeter. So the option C is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 43. The color of fresh silica gel is. The option is, the correct answer is option A. The color of the fresh silica gel is blue color. Moving on to question 44. Imaginary line joining the two poles of the magnet are. It is called the magnetic equator. So option A is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 45. The rotor copper loss of a three-phase induction motor is given by. It is given by the slip into the input of the rotor. So option A is the correct answer. Next question 46. 1 metric horsepower is. So here the option C is the correct answer. 1 metric horsepower is given by 735.6 watts. Moving on to question number 47. The back EMF setup in the stator of synchronous motor depends upon the. The back EMF depends upon the excitation, or you can say the flux. So here option D is the correct answer. Just for your information, the phase angle del, it depends upon the real power handled by the generator. So you know that the back EMF depends on the excitation and the phase angle del depends upon the real power handled by the generator. Moving on to question number 48. The armature winding of a repulsion motor is excited. The excitation is provided inductively. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 49. The main disadvantage of shaded pole motor is low starting torque, little overloading capacity, low efficiency, all of the above. Over here, the answer is all of the above. The main disadvantage of this shaded pole motor are all of the three. It has a low starting torque, overload capacity is low, and efficiency is also low. Moving on to the last question. The armature flux opposes the main flux in synchronous machine when the power factor is. Over here, the answer is option B, 0 power factor lagging. Option B is the correct answer. Just for your information, if the power factor is unity, in that case the armature flux phi A lags phi m by 90 degrees. When the power factor is 0 power factor lagging, then it will lag by 180 degree as discussed in the question. If the power factor is 0 power factor leading, then both phi A and phi m will be in phase. In all of the cases, in whichever power factor it is, the back EMF E always lags phi m by 90 degrees. So this was just for your information. I hope all of you will watch all our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos.